What's up, beautifuls? It's Kayla Brenda. Today we are dancing to Lifestyle by Jason Derulo. Let me show you what it looks like, and we'll get started.
Everybody fall in love, fall in love. I'm a rolling stone, baby, come on. Tell me what you like every night. Girl, I know you got your own, but you could be mine. You about that lifestyle. Everybody know diamonds ain't got nothing on you. We about that lifestyle. Dollar bills, baby, we'll just stay here from broke. You about that la 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 la, la la la. You need that la 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 la, la la la. You want that la 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 la, la la la. You about that lifestyle. Can't get your lipstick off my color, love.
Okay, beauties, let's get into this. We are starting in a bevel position, always making sure our ankles are kissing in a bevel, and I'm sitting heavy into this left hip to give me a shape that you can't really see because I'm in sweatpants, but we need to normalize heels and sweatpants. So we start on the 7, 8. We're gonna roll our hands 7, 8, and it has a little bit of a swing to it. He says, I'm a rolling. Good. From here, we're scooping down to the right and left. So my hip goes out to the right, it sends around the back, and my hands are coming over my shoulders. So my shoulders have this kind of expensive feel while my booty is going around. From here, I'm going to open and close, making sure, again, my ankles get as close as they can to touch. My right arm sends over my chest. My left arm kind of comes across the body, and then I step out and scoop up. So that was, he says, this is all to his words. He says, I'm a rolling stone. Baby, come on. Boom. Nice. With counts, that is 5, 6, we go 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6. From here, I'm gonna brush and brush. Yeah, so it's kind of like whatever this TikTok groove is, but I'm not gonna pick my feet up. I'm just gonna think brush, brush. That's a brush right and a brush left. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 7, 8. From here, I'm shifting my weight back onto the left so I can kind of do a ball change to the back. My hands are coming up, but they're coming to this little peekaboo position, right? So I ball change, my hands come up only to my head. Boom, the path goes here. I sit back and front. So I'm sitting into the hip, middle, chest. Gorgeous. So let's stop there for just 2 seconds so we can get the transitions. We said, I'm a rolling stone. Baby, come on. Boom, tell me what you like. Hey, every, from every, he says night, my weight is coming back onto the front foot. Boom. And I'm thinking explode, star child. From here, I have these my little pointers are gonna turn into little eggs. And I'm gonna do a fossy. Yep, a right, a left. Just continuing on through this phrase, I'm stepping out with my right, and I'm gonna take a long extended boom to ka and bounce off of it. So stepping out, I'm leaning to the right, and the bounce happens in your chest. Boom, boom. So boom, lean to the right, bounce out, pull yourself back to where you came from, stepping through and doing a nice goo body roll. Whoa, you guys got this. I promise this feels so good with music. One move flows into the other, and you have time. It's not really crazy fast yet. So let's go back from the top. I will say his words this time. We go. 5, 6, rolling stone. Baby, come on. Tell me what you like every night. Girl, I know. Crack, crack, you got your own. Yes? From here, since this is kind of an awkward place to stop, my feet are going, I rolled up, I'm going chug, chug. With those little chugs, I do a little bit of a body wave. Yeah, they're quick, so you don't have time to be like living your dreams, but you can live half your dreams. And you can just take a little body roll. I think of doing a body roll from like your waist down, down. Yep. My hands started up behind my head, right? As I go down, they're gonna slap back and forward. From here, they're gonna slap back one more time. Boom, my weight stays on my left foot. Back, down only to the shins. So you don't wanna go all the way to the floor here, it's too quick. So I did up, I did back, front, I did back to the shins. From here, I'm snaking out to the right, drawing my right arm up as my left foot does a little rond de jambe, and I come down this way. So I'm sitting back into my left hip, boom, and my right hand's coming down my face. Whoa, that's the end of section 1. Don't worry, I got you guys. Let's go back. From the top, really slowly, I'll say his words. He says, 5, 6, I'm a rolling stone. Baby, come on. Tell me what you like every night. Girl, I know you got your own. This is da-da-da, my ya. Hey, you really got to squeeze that center on some of this, yeah? Which is super, super important to learn because we're throwing our weight in a bunch of different directions. But we have to maintain our center, we have to maintain our structure so that we're able to make our movement big and not be wobbling around, right? Let's go a little quicker from the top, medium tempo, here we go. It's a 5, 6, I'm a rolling stone. Baby, come on. Tell me what you like, ta. Girl, I know you got your own. Hey, ba, and a 1, 2, 3, go, ta. Woo! And that kind of, the last little rond de jambe moment kind of lingers. So you can literally keep the movement kind of echoing through. So we did boom, boom, around, up, shoo. Yeah, and what I am choosing to do is I am choosing to sit deeper into this left leg, this left plie. I'm grounding into the floor because what comes next might be a batma. So I want to make sure I'm really rooted and grounded in my weight. All right, let's try it tempo from the top. Stick with me. You guys got this. If you're feeling like you're tensing up because you're like, oh my gosh, this one's a little bit challenging or I'm not getting it right away, what I want you to do is release, exhale. It will come. Do it a little bit, do this one a little bit smaller to begin with until you start to feel the flow and the momentum of the moves, then start adding, yes? So we go. It's a 5, I'm a rolling stone. Hey, baby, come on. Tell me what you like every night. Hey, girl, I know. Gunga and ta. But you could be my taka boom. Hey, then we're gonna maybe kick this leg, yeah? Great job. One little note I wanted to say. The 5, count 5 is always a little bit pushed. So we go, this is 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 7, 8, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. A 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. a 7, 8, and boom, ta, boom, ka, boom. Yeah, so really on those 5s, let's accentuate those movements a little bit extra, yeah? All right. One more time tempo, and then we'll try it with music. Here we go. It's a 5, 6, and a rolling stone. Baby, come on. Ta, 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 and boom. Ka, 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 boom. Ta, ta, boom. Ta, ta, boom, ta. And ka, ta, ta. It's a zoom, ta, boom, ka, shoom. You got the legs down. Yes, okay. Watch one time with music, and then we're gonna try it together, and you're gonna do your very best. Here we go. Hey. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, ta, ta.
Baby, come on. Tell me what you like every night. Girl, I know you got your own, but you could be mine. You about that.
Hey, there we go. All right. Stick with me. Remember, maintain your structure. Start out with a little bit smaller movements until you start getting really comfortable. Then we'll add the bigness as we go, yeah? Do it with me this time with music. Come on. Hey. It's a 1, 3, 5, and a shoo, down.
Come on, tell me what you like every night. Girl, I know you got your own, but you could be mine. You about that lifestyle.
Good job, you guys. Feel free to go back and grab any little details you may have missed. Then meet me back here. We're gonna go for section 2. So we just ended with, we did our little dickety, 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 da, around to come up and down. We're rooting down into